Hi, you guys. I know a lot of you don't know me, but my real name is Dominique. I am actually new to YouTube. I actually been having my channel for, I don't say a year, but recently, like within the last little over a week, I've been posting on here more frequently. So I will continue to post frequently. So as you see, I am D's Fashion Chronicles on YouTube. I am also on TikTok and Instagram. My TikTok name is Nikki D85. That's spelled NIQQUIDEE 85. And Instagram, I am NIQWAY. Nikwe. I almost forgot. So it's NIQWAY. And I have all the information on my intro. So just a little background about me. I am originally from Georgia. I live in Texas. I've been living in Texas since 2008. I first moved to Houston. I was there for 11 years, and I came to Dallas in 2019, where I am now. I am a down earth to earth person. I am more positive vibes. So the negative vibes you can have, you can keep them. So that's what we're gonna do on here. Keep it positive. I love to shop. I love to eat. I just love to just live life. 'Cause life is short. We all know this. Life is short. Enjoy your life while you have it. So on this channel, you will get mostly fashion, but also a little bit of beauty, lifestyle, things of that nature. And also just going out with my homegirls, different places, here and there, right? And then with my boo, uh, occasionally you'll see those videos. So yeah, if you like my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tell your mama, tell your cousin, tell everybody. No, for real though. I love to shop. I really do. I'm trying to get some brand deals because I just love modeling clothes. Like, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, that's what I like to do. And so Fashion Nova hit me up. Pretty Little Thing hit me up too. But I love to shop. Amazon, that's one of my go-tos. TikTok shop. Again, Fashion Nova and PLT. I recently did a little thrifting at our local Goodwill store. I did find some cute pieces, so I will share that with you as time prevails. So stay tuned if you want to see more of me, okay? So yeah, just in a nutshell, I love fashion since I was a little girl. My late mother taught me everything about fashion, for the most part, about matching and just looking presentable. She didn't want me to go outside the house looking any kind of way, baby. Trust me, believe me. Rest your soul, mother. But I really, really got the fashion ideas and just the passion for it from my mother. So I know fashion is a lucrative industry and is continuously evolving. So you see a lot of people they're wearing different fashion pieces that you never seen before, or some you have seen before. So everybody has a staple to fashion in their own way. So if you don't know how to match something, or you don't know if this color goes good with this pattern, or whatever the case may be, or this challenge for you. So again, hit that subscribe button and make sure you come back because we're here for love. We're here for inspo. Um, I um I follow quite a bit of fashion influencers, and I take heed to their fashion. I'm not gonna lie, I don't copycat, but I just make it my own. So that's the whole thing about fashion. It can be different statements, but again, I will also incorporate some other things on this channel that's maybe relatable for you guys. Skincare, what I use on my face, the cleaning, to keep it moisturized, lifestyle again. Also, as you see, like on some of my videos, if you've been watching or you subscribe, you see me wearing a lot of hair wraps. I do love hair wraps. I'm not gonna lie, they're so convenient. They're so easy to match. If you have all the colors, I have most all the colors now, but they're just so easy to style, and those are my go-to. A lot of times, occasionally, I will get my hair braided. I'm not gonna lie, it's really maybe once or twice a year I get my hair braided. One time is around my year. Shout out to the cancers. And maybe close, I don't know, to the end of the year around Christmas or something. But I love braids, don't get me wrong. But I love the hair wraps too. They're so versatile. And sometimes I wear my glueless wigs. So yeah, on this channel you will see a few things, a lot of things that's dealing with fashion and beauty and lifestyle. I got these earrings from Amazon. This necklace with my initial D from Amazon. This hair wrap from TikTok shop, and this outfit here is like a romper. I got this from, believe it or not, Rainbow. I did. Rainbow has elevated too. So again, if you interested on this channel and you want to see more, um, hit that subscribe button. And if you have something to say, about my outfit, like if you suggest something that I should have done differently, I take suggestions. I'm not. I have thick skin, so just comment, say something. But hoping to find my audience. Again, I'm here. I'm chilled and I'm here to give you guys some fashion and lifestyle beauty. Okay? So stay tuned for more.